what I'm feeling, I wouldn't wish on a soul. Easy money, under pressure, I'm an open book, but you gotta be intellectual. Soon as you get to the top, you gotta know you the devil's target. Tired of the cycle of life. Soon as I reach the top, I'm ripped right back down to the bottom. Life's unicycle, I don't know how to ride it. If you get caught up in the system, they take every single piece of you away. No longer do what you want. You push and pull through the hoops, miss shooting hoops, miss rolling up and blowing out fat clouds of smoke. Hard head, so I like learning the hard way. Stress the fuck out, that's putting it lightly. Darkness surrounds me, but I'm optimistic. Sagittarius archer, and I put a flame to my arrow. I'm about to bubble, you about to boil. Roots deep in the soil, shitting on you lames. Fuck a toilet, moving around, never remote, but I control it. Fatty flowing through my hands, just like the streams, lakes, and rivers. If you felt it, I gave you shivers, goosebumps. Pockets got the mumps, won't see my tears dried up like the Sahara Desert. With repercussions, I don't give a fuck about them. Rolling up these backwood jets for the family smoke, waiting for the day me and Mary Jane reunite. Can't believe the choices I made in my life. Became the person I was running from. 5 months sober and I've learned a ton. I just want my life back. I just want my life back. The struggle real, but this a different feel. My perspective changes as I'm growing. Sorry for the inconvenience, no I'm not. I'm really trying to better my life. Tired of this rocky road, trying to pave a smooth way. I'm done drowning myself. I've made it really hard to stay afloat with all this weight I carry for no apparent reason. It's human nature to follow in the steps of everything shown, taught, and told. I can't be that though. My purpose more bold. I know right and wrong, and we don't have the choice of being born, but our actions we control. I choose to face these demons, cause I'm tired of hanging around them like they want the best for me. They taking me for me, almost didn't recognize myself, and now that I choose to better myself, everyone too good to be company. Never judge the soul, I just couldn't keep digging that hole. I was starting to suffocate, drinking was literally taking my oxygen. If you don't listen, the universe will put you through significant situations. Life ain't easy, but it ain't that hard. Life ain't easy.